Now we're going to go over proper measuring. I love to help each of the participants in the class to achieve a proper fit, because sewing for ourselves allows us to customize our garments to fit our individual shapes. So when you achieve that customized fit, grading between sizes to fit your shape, you're able to use the staple pattern again and again to make garments that vary widely and look completely different from one another. And I love that, being able to use the same pattern again and again with the confidence that it will fit you well. So the first measurements that we will need are the measurements on your size chart. It is high bust, bust, waist, and hip. Now when you do high bust, place the measuring tape flat against your back and above your bust line. You will want the measuring tape to be into your armpit, but comfortably so, not pulling against your armpit, comfortably. And you can see across the top of the bust. Now when you measure bust, you want to go across the apex of the bust, or the widest part of the bust, and you want to keep the tape measure parallel to the floor. If the tape measure slides down in the back, it will achieve an improper measurement. And waist. Waist can be a little tricky, knowing exactly where to measure. It is generally much higher than your actual pant waist. The little trick that I like to use is I'm a little teapot. So if you place your hand and you bend, it is the place where your body creases when you bend. And this is the thinnest part of your waist, and it's usually a little bit higher than you imagine your waist. So measure your waist measurement, again, keeping your tape measure parallel to the floor. And then hip is simply the widest part around your hips, again, parallel to the floor. Now the last measurement that we are going to need is arm length. And this is if you are doing the long sleeve top, you will want to know whether or not you need to lengthen or shorten your sleeve. So you will take the beginning of your tape measure, place it comfortably in your armpit, and then down your arm. You will want to measure just past your wrist. For me, that is 19 inches. Now we're going to take these measurements, go over to the table, have a closer look at our pattern, and see how they correspond with the pattern and how they can help us achieve a customized fit.